Okay, so a biological application of thermodynamics is we are going to use leaves and carbon dioxide absorption. So our chosen system is a system that will have spinach leaves in a closed container, you see here, with light here and a CO2 sensor here measuring the amount of CO2 present in the closed system. The independent variable is the amount of light used, so that will vary. The dependent variable is the amount of CO2 absorbed by the leaves. So we're going to take 2 spinach leaves into the bottle and seal the bottle with the CO2 probe. We're going to rest it on a flat surface. We're going to take the light source, the weakest light source, directly above the sample. Then we're going to use the probe to graph the amount of CO2 absorbed by the leaves. We'll collect data for 10 minutes. After each trial, we will refresh the air by waving the bottle around, so open it up and wave the bottle around. We'll repeat the experiment with a stronger light source, leaving the spinach leaves the same. And we'll repeat this 3 more times using progressively stronger light sources. The data we collect will be graphs of the CO2 absorbed by the leaves. As the carbon dioxide is lost in the bottle, it is being absorbed by the leaves from the equation for photosynthesis. So as CO2 is absorbed due to the light, it will disappear. So we expect those numbers to go down. We see that the more CO2 that is absorbed, the more that the light energy is being absorbed. So an increase in CO2 should amount to an increase in light energy being absorbed. So photosynthesis should occur more often as we include light. Now there's going to be a max point here that we'll see. But in the end, we expect to see more carbon dioxide being absorbed as we increase the amount of light. So we can compare the CO2 absorbed versus the strength of light source and see the stronger light sources lead to more carbon dioxide being absorbed. This will prove that the first law of thermodynamics is happening in photosynthesis. So that means as we increase the light energy into the system, we should get more photosynthesis being done, so more energy is being used to make the plant grow.